Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. This video I'm doing a repair. It's on a Fecon forestry mulcher. It's a big piece of equipment that goes on a skid steer, chopping up trees and limbs and whatnot. So here's the unit. And we have two repairs to make on this. So this tooth backer is cracked, both sides. I've already moved this tooth down out of the way. So this repair, I'm going to be arc gouging it out and moving that back down, welding it back up. So the arc gouging process should put enough preheat in that part, should be able to gouge it and weld her up. So over here, this tooth back is completely gone. It's been repaired before. It's a really tough area to get into on the other side. So it's completely missing. This steel is 1.1 inches. So I had my supplier cut me a new one. So I drew it up in AutoCAD. They got the material and cut it out for me. So we'll get all that cleaned up, get this beveled, and get that welded up. So stick around and we'll get this done. I started out with the arc gouger, but ultimately the torch ended up being a better tool to get this crack gouged out. So gouging it out, it put enough heat in it, so there's no need to preheat this part. She's hot. So we're just gonna get to welding this thing out.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Smell it.
In 0.2 miles, make a U-turn if possible.
Hey guys, we're in Colorado, somewhere between Vail and Breckenridge. We're at Maverick, so got my coffee, black coffee. Let's give it a go. I'll give that a 7.7 out of 10. Back to the video. Alrighty, got that side welded up, welded out really good. Tooth fits up to it nice. So we'll move on to the next one. So this is where the new tooth backer has to go. It's no big deal on this side, but on this side, I don't know if you can see, you can't get in there at a good angle to weld that up. That's the reason that this broke, because you can't focus on the tooth. So I'm gonna take advantage, grind all this smooth and flat, and then put a heavy bevel on this side of the tooth. So that should get me in a better angle. This side over here is not bad. All right, so we got a nice heavy bevel on that. So that's gonna allow me to get in and weld my way back out. So we got this all cleaned up. Left it nice and flat. So let's get some heat in this thing and get her welded out. Alrighty, got the piece on there. I tack welded it, preheated it, and now I got my root pass in. Really happy with how that laid in. Don't know if you can see it on that side, but fits up nicely. So now just to weld her out. Well, there it is. Super happy with how that turned out. Fit up's really good. Looks just like the factory one. Everything lines up. So another one in the books. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a like, subscribe. And remember, you were created for a purpose. We'll catch you on the next one.